welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this Sally look from Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's just jump right into it. I'm taking a light blue water activated face paint and I'm using this pretty much all over my body. So starting on the neck, upper body, down the arms, and then all over the face as well. I'm using a sponge to kind of further blend in the paint to try to minimize any streakiness from the brush. And then I'm going ahead and prepping my eyelids with some eyeshadow primer and then using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I'm taking one of the kind of like medium blue shades that's pretty similar to the skin color we got going on. Placing this all over my lid and then using the NYX Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil. Placing that on my waterline and then making sure to really kind of drag that down with that white eyeliner onto the lower lid and accentuate the eyes. Doing this will make the eyes appear a little bit bigger by bringing down the whites of the eyes. And then going in with a slightly darker blue eyeshadow, I'm placing this in my crease as well as underneath the white eyeliner we put down on the lower lid to kind of create a new lash line. And then I'm going in with a dark blue eyeshadow, further defining that lower lash line as well as the crease, and deepening that up a little bit. Then using this white highlighter shade in the palette, I'm placing that on my brow bone. And then going in with the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, using the sapphire shade, placing this on my lid for a little bit of pop. And then using some blue eyeshadow to contour my cheekbones. And then using that blue highlighter on my cheekbones and popping those out as well as on the Cupid's bow and on the bridge of my nose. I'm filling in my eyebrows with some of that blue eyeshadow, just kind of further defining them. I don't want them to really pop out too much because Sally doesn't really have brows. And then again, I'm taking that blue eyeshadow and contouring my upper body. So the front of my throat, the sides of my throat, my collarbones, as well as the cleavage area. And then using that blue highlighter on top of those collarbones to draw them forward. I'm then taking a dark red liquid lipstick and placing this on my lips, kind of focusing it more on the outer edges, and then placing a brighter red lipstick towards the center. I'm using that dark blue eyeshadow to start sketching out where all my stitches are going to be going. So I'm tracing around my neck, the front of my chest, the sides of my chest, and then also buffing this out, kind of blowing out that line a little bit. And then moving on to the face, we're doing the mouth lines as well as the one that goes down the forehead, over the eye, off to the side of the face. Making sure to buff out those as well. Once I'm happy with those lines, I'm taking a black water activated face paint and further defining them, kind of creating that darkness that we need in the center of all those buffed out areas. And then using a white water activated face paint and starting to create our stitches down those lines we just created. Taking that dark blue shadow, I'm using this to give a shadow effect underneath all the white stitches we placed down. It's going to further define them as well as give it a little bit more dimension. Next, I'm taking these custom paper lashes that I made, plopping those on. And that's it, you guys. You are now Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really loved doing this one. I've been meaning to do Sally for quite a while, so I'm glad I finally got around to it. This is look number 8, I believe, out of our 13 Days of Halloween series. So be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see the rest of the series for the duration of the month. Also check out my Instagram at Lady Paradox for more fun content. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!